immersed.
It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys hairstyles you can do for 4C hair or 4A or 4B. These are just inclusive hairstyles that anyone can do if you're just looking for something, you know, just to put it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
I literally love this hairstyle because anyone with any hair type can do it. And I know you guys are always complaining that I'm always doing like slicks, because slicks are literally the easiest hairstyle to do, and there's so many ways to do it as well. This one as well, this is not necessarily a slick, but this as well will literally last you for like 1 to 2 weeks. So
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.